Hello, today I want to talk about BricsCAD's SendStringToExecute method. What does it do? Well, it sends, as its name already implies, a string to the command line. But now let's come to a concrete example. Here I'm sending the zoom command to the command line. An important point I have to emphasize is to add a white space or a carriage return after the zoom. Without that white space or carriage return, the command would not be applied. Just the word zoom would be displayed in the command line. The string needs to be passed as if it would be typed directly in the command line. Now let's come to a more elaborate example. How to execute a command that has several command options. Well, you simply add the corresponding values to the string exactly as if you would type them in the command line, and each value needs to be followed by the character sequence of your choice for confirmation. In this example, the scene is zoomed to a center which is the origin with a distance of 5 drawing units. For completeness, I would like to mention the behavior of the other parameters as well. The activate boolean defines whether to activate the document on which the method is called or not. The echo command is a boolean that defines whether to display the passed values of the command on either command line or not. In this example, exactly those values would be displayed at the command line. The wrap in ActiveDoc is a boolean. If the document has been switched, it defines whether to complete processing the previous active document in the next idle state of the application or not. That's all. Thanks for watching.